After successfully dummy assembling the bike, it was stripped bare again and the necessary parts were sent off for blasting and powder coating. Before the coating goes on, all the parts are hit with compressed air to ensure none of the blasting media is still present. To get a perfect finish, a base primer is put down first and baked. After baking is completed, the colour is put on. Because the donor R1 was blue, the wheels needed to be changed to black. This was done at the same time as the other black parts. The items are then baked again and left to harden overnight. Back at the workshop, it was time to start the final assembly of the bike. The first part was fitting the swing arm, triple clamps and engine. Knowing that everything fits and works, the assembly process is a no-rush situation to ensure everything is fitted correctly and to avoid any damage. Because the bike was built to showcase a stack of great parts distributed by Faceta, it was at this point where the first of these items were installed. The R&G radiator and oil cooler guards are a simple and quick fit and will protect the coolers from damage and potential failure due to debris. Next was a set of R&G engine case covers. Being a very simple product to fit, these are the same used in the British superbikes and a must for any track day riders, but can also be used every day to protect your pride and joy. Whilst the R&G adjustable rear sets went on, the UASA battery was slotted into place. The following day, parts continued to be fitted and I started to unbox the remainder of the replica fairings which needed to be fitted up and modified to suit the changes from the 98 spec bike. A set of R&G bar weights were fitted to replace the WER1 items, and I continued to trim and tweak the fairings, in some cases using old damaged fairings as dummy units. To finish up the day, IPO brake fluid and radiator liquid were added, and it was time to run the nearly completed bike to ensure everything was tight and there was no leaks. Stay tuned for part 6 very soon.
Yeah.